here. My first time.
Flooding caused by thunderstorms